The city is stepping up its efforts even further to meet the needs of its Spanish-speaking residents. Durham One Call is now offering a Spanish language line, which allows residents to be connected directly with the center's Spanish-speaking representatives.
Gracias por llamar a Durham One Call. Mi nombre es Edelmira. ¿Cómo le puedo asistir el día de hoy? Durham One Call is a centralized center located at City Hall, whose mission is to provide outstanding customer service to our citizens.
The creation of the Spanish language line is an important step in making sure the center continues to focus on its mission.
It's very important for the city to feel everybody welcome to call, either English or the Spanish. Our goal is to serve our residents with a higher level customer service.
The new line will now make it faster for Spanish-speaking residents to connect with those who can give them help at the center.
When they reach Durham One Call, they will hear the message, press 1 for English, press 2 for Spanish. So when they press 2 for Spanish, the call goes directly to a Spanish-speaking representative, so they don't need to wait.
Durham One Call can be reached at 919-560-1200 between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. Monday through Friday.